Today, we're going to talk about unlocking a new kind of superpower, how to get an AI to basically read your mind and give you exactly what you want. Let's master the art of the perfect prompt. I mean, we've all been there, right? You ask for something, and the AI gives you back a response that's, well, it's just generic, totally unhelpful, or it just completely misses the mark. It can be so frustrating. And this right here is the heart of the problem. You put in a super vague request like, write an Instagram post, and what do you get back? An equally useless response. The AI has no clue what your app is, who you're talking to, or what you're trying to achieve. It's not a mind reader. It's more like a mirror. You know the saying, garbage in, garbage out. But here's the big secret. The problem isn't really the AI. It's us. It's the instructions we're giving it. And you know what? That's actually fantastic news, because it means we have the power to fix it. And better instructions don't just create slightly better results, they create dramatically better results. Okay, the best way to think about this is like using a GPS. A vague prompt is like telling your GPS to just drive downtown. I mean, you could end up absolutely anywhere. But a great prompt, that's like giving it a precise street address. It provides a crystal clear destination. So how do we build that address for our AI?
Well, we do it with this, a 6-part roadmap. It's a really simple framework, but it's incredibly powerful. It helps you turn that fuzzy idea in your head into a sharp, clear instruction that gets you the perfect result pretty much every single time. So here they are, the 6 essential signposts on our roadmap. We've got persona, context, task, format, exemplar, and tone. When you put them all together, they guide the AI to create exactly what you were thinking of. So let's dive in and break down each one. First up is persona. This is where it all begins. Before you tell the AI what to do, you have to tell it who to be. Is it a professional copywriter, a skeptical data analyst? Giving it a role like this, that's the foundation for everything that follows. So instead of just vaguely asking for a post, you're now basically commissioning work from a specialist. And with just that one little sentence, the AI instantly knows what kind of vocabulary to use, what style to adopt, and what industry knowledge to tap into. It's a total game changer. Okay, so our AI has its job title, but a social media manager with no project to work on is pretty useless, right? That's where context comes in. You have to paint the picture for the AI. What's the product? Who's the audience? What's the goal here? This is the stuff that makes the response actually relevant. See? Here, we're giving it those vital details. The app's name, StudySync, and its target audience. And just like that, our AI isn't some generic social media manager anymore. Nope. Now, it's one who understands they're launching a tech product specifically for college students. Once the AI knows who it is and what the situation is, you give it the task. This is your direct order, your non-negotiable command. You have to be super explicit, super clear, and tell it exactly what the final deliverable should be. And notice how specific this is. We're not just asking for captions, we're asking for 3 short and catchy ones. Every single one of those words sharpens the AI's focus and just gets rid of all the guesswork. All right, now for a step that, honestly, most people just skip right over. Format. Think about it. A brilliant answer delivered in a totally useless way is, well, it's useless. This is where you tell the AI exactly how you want the output structured so you can use it right away. And trust me, this is going to save you so much editing time later. By specifying a bulleted list and a character count, you're getting something back that's ready to copy and paste right into Instagram. Okay, this next one, the exemplar, this might be my favorite part. It's where you stop telling the AI what you want and you start showing it, giving the AI a perfect example to work from. It's like handing it the answer key before the test. When you show it an example like this, the AI immediately gets it. It understands the energy, the use of emojis, the call to action, the hashtag structure you're looking for, all of it, far better than words could ever describe. And that brings us to the last piece of our puzzle, tone. This is the emotional layer. How should the response actually feel? Do you want it to be serious and formal or energetic and fun? This final instruction is all about setting the vibe. Using specific words like these guides the AI's word choice. You know, a playful tone is going to give you a wildly different result than an academic one. It's that final bit of polish that makes the output truly yours. So, we've broken down all 6 parts one by one. Now, let's see the magic happen when we put them all together into one super powerful prompt for our StudySync app.
So just imagine combining everything we've built. We're layering our instructions, starting with the persona of the social media manager, adding the context about the StudySync app, giving the clear task to write captions, defining the format as a 150-character bulleted list, showing it a perfect exemplar, and finally, setting the tone as enthusiastic. Each element stacks on the last to create one single laser-focused instruction. When you start using a framework like this, you completely transform your relationship with the AI. It stops being just some simple tool and becomes a true co-pilot. You're no longer just crossing your fingers and hoping for a good result. No, you are actively engineering it. You're in control. All right, let's do a super quick recap. The 6 keys to unlocking your AI's potential are persona, tell it who to be; context, give it the background; task, state the goal clearly; format, define the structure; exemplar, show it what perfect looks like; and tone, set the mood. And that's it. That's the roadmap. You're not just a passenger anymore, hoping the AI takes you somewhere useful. You are officially in the driver's seat, ready to steer this thing to any destination you can possibly imagine. So the only question left is for you. With this powerful framework in your hands, what will you create? What problems will you solve? The possibilities are, quite literally, endless. Now go build something amazing.